Have you ever heard the expression, sleeping with the enemy? When we think about dust mites, extremely small organisms that live in our mattresses, pillows, and bed sheets, the expression becomes true, doesn't it? Even though being very small, dust mites cause extreme reactions to our health, attacking the respiratory system and causing allergic crises. Because they feed on dead skin cells, dust mites live where they can easily find food, such as mattresses, pillows, curtains, teddy bears, and similar places. There are some steps you can take to stop dust mites from proliferating and avoid them altogether. An efficient way of getting rid of dust mites is an easy recipe. It removes any stains and dust mites, leaving your mattress and pillow clean and odorless. Write down the ingredients: 8.5 ounces hydrogen peroxide, 10 volume, 3 tablespoons baking soda, white vinegar. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Directions: soak a clean sponge in hydrogen peroxide and rub over all the stains and spots of your mattress and pillows. Let it act for a few minutes, then clean with a cloth soaked in clean water. Pour the baking powder over the mattress, spray some vinegar over it, and let it act for an hour. After that, vacuum the baking soda and clean it with a damp cloth. If possible, let your mattress dry under the sun. Put your mattress and pillows to dry in a place with good ventilation. You can also use waterproof mattress protectors, which stop humidity from entering the mattress and prevent dust mites and bacteria. There are lots of mattress and pillow protectors with antibacterial action, which also increase the durability of your items. However, you need to wash the protectors with the same frequency as other bed sheets, once or twice a week, okay? Follow these easy tips and clean your mattress easily. You will have a good night's rest and will be taking care of your health. Besides that, get into the habit of keeping your house free of dust, well ventilated and sunny. Washing clothes before using them. Avoid objects that gather dust. Avoid carpets, rugs, and teddy bears. Clean the filter of air conditioners frequently. Avoid natural flowers, places with cigarette smoke, and old products or those kept away for too long. If you follow these tips, you will notice a huge difference in your daily life. If the symptoms don't go away, talk to a doctor to examine your case. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.